In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, launch Recorder app, and before doing anything, click on those three lines at the top left corner. Then select Settings at the bottom and adjust all of those however you want to, like Quality. When you're done, tap on Transcription language. If you wish to use this feature, select yours or tap on Auto Detect. And then use this switcher next to auto-transcribe when recording starts to enable or disable it. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back and start recording thanks to red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To discard it right away, click on this arrow at the top left corner and choose Delete. To end it and save it though, use this icon of a square on the right. Then name it at the top and hit Save. Now you can tap on it to manage it and also tap on Transcription to see it. You can even tap on Summary and tap on Generate. Obviously my text is too short, but if you record it more, this option will work. You can speed up your recording here. You can skip it 3 seconds each way and click on this icon at the bottom right corner if you want to loop it.
To end it and save it though, use this icon of a square on the right. To end it and save it though.
Like that. If you wish, you can click on those icons at the top right corner as well. This pen to edit your recording. For example, if you want to trim this part, click on Trim and then tap on Save at the bottom right corner. You can also enable or disable noise reduction thanks to this icon at the top. Hit Save. Tap on Save, or what I recommend, save as copy just in case. Then click on this icon here if you want to switch between Summary and Track, and those three dots at the top right corner to access all of those options, like Rename. Go back, click on those three dots on the right, and then manage all of those options from here if you want to. If you deleted any recording, like this one, by mistake, click on those three lines at the top left corner again and select Trash to recover it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!